Let's start computer class. And today's topic is external memory.
Hello students. Students, in our previous video we study about internal memory. Okay? And the internal memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. And internal memory is also known as primary memory. Today we start with external memory. Okay? As I told you that internal memory is volatile in nature. Okay, so the data stored in it in a temporary way. So if we want to store the data for a long period, if we want to store the data in for a long period, then we use external memory. Okay, and internal storage of computer is insufficient to store a large amount of data. Okay, and the external memory is also called as secondary memory. Student, you know that in your mobile also internal memory is also there, and you also insert SD card as external memory because internal memory is not sufficient. That's why we insert SD card as secondary memory so that you can store a lot of apps in your mobile. So in computer also we have external memory, and that is called as secondary memory. So what are the examples of secondary memory? Like hard disk, compact disk, DVD, pen drive. Okay, these are external memory in which we store our data, and these are storage devices. So first is hard disk. See, this is hard disk and it is in the CPU. It is the main storage device for computers. So what is the main storage device for computers? Hard disk. Okay, where it is fixed? It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet, and it contains all the software and data. Okay, it contains all the software which you have downloaded, and all the data is stored in hard disk. Hard disk is made up of multiple disks called as platters. Okay, so data is recorded on both side of the disk. Okay, on both side of disk data is recorded. Nowadays hard disk can store up to 16 TB of data. Okay, 16 TB of data hard disk can store. Next is compact disk. Compact disk is an optical storage medium. Compact disk is an optical storage medium, and it is a thin circular disk. It is a thin circular disk. Okay, CD is also like this, and it is thin. And have a reflective metal coating on it. It can store up to 700 MB of data and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. CD can hold text, graphics, sound, images, and videos. So CD is an optical storage medium, and it is a thin circular disc and have a reflective metal coating. CD can store how much amount of data? 700 MB, and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. And what we can hold in CD? Text, graphics, sound, images, and videos. This is the important fact written here. A bit is an abbreviation of binary digit. Full form of bit is binary digit. Next is digital versatile disc. DVD. Full form of DVD is digital versatile disc, or we can also call it as digital video disc. Both are correct. Digital versatile disc and digital video disc. It is also an optical storage device. And why DVD is used? It is used to store data, and it also record your movies with high video and sound quality. DVD is similar to CD in shape and size, but it can store huge amount of information. The storage varies from 4.1 GB to 17 GB of data. Okay, so it can store 4.1 GB to 17 GB. Next is flash drive. Flash drive is also known as pen drive. See, have you seen pen drive? What is pen drive? It is plug and play device used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. If you want to copy some data and want to paste that data in your computer, then how you can copy and then move data from one computer to another? Using pen drive. It is also known as universal serial bus. It is also known as universal serial bus. Full form of USB is universal serial bus. Universal serial bus. It is very small, lightweight, removable and rewritable. See, pen drive is very small, it is very light in weight. We can easily remove pen drive and easily we rewrite. A flash drive can store up to 1 TB of data. A flash drive can store up to 1 TB of data and have planned to have its capacity to 2 TB. Flash drives are faster, hold more data and more convenient to carry along. Okay, so flash drive is known as pen drive. We can easily copy and move data from one computer to another. It is also known as universal serial bus. It is very small, lightweight, removable and rewritable. Flash drive can store up to 1 TB of data. Flash drives are very faster and more convenient to work. Next is Blu-ray disc. It is new optical disc format that is replacing DVD. Okay, nowadays Blu-ray disc is used because it offers more than 5 times storage capacity of traditional DVD. Students, Blu-ray disc store a large amount of data and store up to 25 GB on its single side and 50 GB on its dual side. Okay, its dimension is same as DVD and CD. It is used to store high quality of sound, games and movie data. The disc has derived its name from blue. So where the disc derived its name Blu-ray? From the blue violet laser that is used to read and write data on the type of disc. So nowadays Blu-ray disc is used because it stores 5 times more data than DVD. It can store 25 GB data on its single side and 50 GB on dual side. Its dimension is same as DVD and CD. It can store high quality of sound, games and movie data, and its name is derived from blue violet laser. Okay, Next is multimedia card. A multimedia card or memory card is a small storage card. This is multimedia card. Its size is similar to postage stamp. We can use it in a digital camera or smartphone. See, this is the SD card like we use in our mobiles. Multimedia cards are available in various sizes ranging from 32 MB to 128 GB. We need a multimedia card to read the multimedia card and connect it with computer through a USB cable. Okay, so multimedia card or memory card. The multimedia card is also known as memory card, and it is small storage card, and its size is like postage stamp. We use it in digital camera or smartphones. It is available in various sizes ranging from 32 MB to 128 GB. Okay students, so this is external memory storage devices. Okay, so external memory is also known as secondary memory. If you want to store your data for a long period, then external memory is used. Hard disk is the main storage device, and it can store up to 16 TB of data. CD is an optical storage medium, and it can store 700 MB of data. Next is DVD. DVD can store more amount than CD, and it can store up to 4.1 GB to 17 GB. Next is flash drive. Flash drive is known as pen drive, and it can store 1 TB of data. Next is Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc store 25 GB to 50 GB of data, and multimedia card store 32 MB to.
My name is Mansi and you are watching my channel Amazing Art and Craft. Please like and subscribe my channel.